Ladies and gentlemen, useless coin is still pumping and doing well, which is pretty interesting. We are seeing a tiny bounce in the markets right now. And guys, I don't know if this is going to last. I don't know if it's going to go down again from here. But what I do know is that Useless is having a pretty solid day. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on and just talk about Useless as a whole, okay? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy, Crypto RJ. Today, we have Useless up 17%, which is actually pretty cool. The whole markets right now, guys, are, like I said, tiny bounce. Oh, it looks like it's not even bouncing anymore. Oh, great. Well, there was a bit of a bounce, but earlier today we did see $89,000 Bitcoin, which is nuts. Now, with that being said, guys, again, it's just the market right now, okay? So in the past month, we could see Useless is still down about 60%, which is nuts to think about. And in the past week, guys, down 27%. Okay, so overall, guys, this thing isn't really obvious. I mean, like, it makes sense, right? The markets have been crashing, so this thing is crashing as well. But again, today it looks like it is performing pretty well. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on. So first off, do not fear, Useless is here. I think this is the first actual Useless picture I've seen with color. So you can see there's a red candle and it's painting it green, finally having some sort of utility or usefulness. Now, if you take a look at Twitter as well, we could see obviously the bonk guy is still talking about, a bunch of bullish things for Useless. We have a couple of people doing TA and just talking about how Useless is still, doing pretty well. It's a must buy at these levels. And overall, some pretty bullish, I guess, posts about Useless. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys, a lot of these posts are pretty interesting to read. I definitely would go ahead. Obviously, guys, if you're in crypto, Twitter is where you need to be for these type of things. Okay. Now, Useless tweeted this because Polymarket said, just in, McDonald's sees a record surge in job applicants as crypto market continues free fall. Now, I don't know if this is a troll or if this is an actual statistic, but we can see Useless Coin says, just in, McDonald's sees record surge in job applicants as Useless Coins continue free fall, which again is what's happening. Now, if you guys want to get something that isn't as useless, guys, go ahead and check out Bitcoin Hyper. They've almost raised $28 million, and they're basically a layer 2 for Bitcoin. A very solid project, and they're genuinely just crushing it right now. If you guys don't already know what this is, I will leave a link down below. You guys can go ahead and grab yourselves a bag. Very simple. All you gotta do is click buy with crypto, connect your wallet, boom, bada bang, okay? It's a pretty solid project in my opinion, and I think it's gonna do pretty well. Now, we can see the future. It's useless, like our predictions. Again, guys, just some more fun tweets here from the Useless team, and we can see this one as well. Breaking: investors unite under shared regret. Coin identified as useless. And guys, let's be real here. A lot of these projects are starting to get a little shaky. A lot of them are starting to, not look the greatest. But when you see Useless continuing to tweet, continuing to talk about, the coin, the community still seems pretty strong. I do think that this is going to, probably have a rebound. I'm not saying this is going to go back to all-time high anytime soon, but what I am saying is, I think there's something here, and obviously people like this for a reason. But guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.